Machine learning has taken the world by storm. Every business, whether it's a product-based business, whether it's a service-based business, use the applications of machine learning in terms of making the things grow more faster. In this course, you will actually be learning about all these different fields of computer vision, like detections and recognition from a visual image, detections and recognition from a video, facial detection, gesture detection, human detection. All those detections are actually taking place in this project. You will be knowing like what are the right algorithms, what are the right ways, how to design an algorithm, how to design a proper approach in terms of pulling out the detections and recognitions. So this course contains all those detections and recognition from a visual image or a video. In this course, you will actually be learning about the whole process, starting from the installations of the software towards the implementation of the whole project. You will be able to develop the real-world applications that involve the feature of object detection and recognition, ultimately ending up as a complete project in the real world. The projects that can be like the brain tumor detection, or the projects that can be like the human detection through a CCTV camera. So that is how you will actually come to know the objectives of machine learning and artificial intelligence taking place and reducing the human effort to the massive extent. Well, anybody can apply for this course. Anybody who is passionate to learn machine learning, anybody who gets to know about machine learning and how the project can be carried out in a machine learning and artificial intelligence field, because these are the growing technologies these days. So anybody who makes up his mind to bring a revolution in the world by using the innovative technologies can definitely apply for this course. Well, there are so many benefits for the students. The first benefit is that you will be learning in a workshop-based business model with only 12 to 15 students enrolled in it. So you'll be getting the whole focus of the trainer. The trainers are actually the real-world application developers who have been developing the applications from a considerable time period. You will be getting a complete profile at the end of the day containing your rating and your progressive movement in terms of this skill so that the bigger doors can open up for you. A top student will actually be getting a whole field funded back. There will be some meantime trainings in which you will be learning some other skills, the skills that can actually make your career grow more faster, more rapidly, and a more progressive manner. There is a big deficit in the machine learning department around the world, so you can actually be learning and earning pretty much to the massive extent. And that is how it can actually matter the most. You can just go to a course, Detections and Recognitions using Machine Learning. Here you will actually be finding all the details, everything about the course covering and everything that you will be able to develop after the end of this course. And this should definitely encourage you out if you are really eager to learn new things, new skills, and you are knowing about what influence the machine learning is creating around the world. Just click on the enroll button, fill out the form with the basic information, and that is where you will actually submit the form and getting contacted by our representative very soon. But you just need to hurry. There are just 12 to 15 students in this class. It's a workshop-based business model. A trainer will actually be training in the whole couple of months, making sure that you actually learn the whole skill towards the end of this course by developing the real-world application. My name is Ubaid Afzal, and we at Big Knowledge are looking forward to polish the skills of every individual so that they can spend the rest of their life with whatever way they want.